We had wonderful darshan at the Golden Temple last evening, and today we're heading off to the rest of Amritsar, so continue watching. Okay, so we have come to this place called the Ram Kulcha Point. Ram Kulcha Point. Patty and naan supposed to be very famous here in Amritsar, just close to the Golden Temple. Quite a busy place, as you can see, right in there. It's a small place, but amazing food is what I'm told. I'll tell you how the kulcha is made, and let's talk to the guy. Happy, Mr. Happy, हाँ जी बोलिए. तो ये कुलचे बना रहे हैं आप? पैटी कुलचे बोलते हैं इसको ना?
हाँ जी, पैटी कुलचा.
तो इसका खासियत क्या है?
इसका खासियत ये है कि आदमी खाकर खुद बताएगा, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
अच्छा ठीक है, so he's challenging. खाकर बताइए. I'm sure it'll be very good. So ठीक है, सुबह कितने बजे खोलते हो आप?
सुबह 8:30 चालू हो जाता है.
8:30. और रात को कितने बजे तक?
रात का दोपहर का 2-2:30 बजे तक.
2-2:30 बजे. सिर्फ एक ही वैरायटी के कुलचे मिलते हैं ना?
पैटी कुलचा और पनीर कुलचा.
पैटी कुलचा और पनीर कुलचा. ओके. और इसमें क्या क्या जाता है?
इसमें काली मिर्च, जीरा, अजवाइन, नारदाना,
हाँ,
प्याज, मटर, मिर्ची, हरी, अदरक, गाजर, चुकंदर.
और ये छोले के साथ खाया जाता है?
छोले के साथ.
ठीक है, धन्यवाद. हम जाके खाते हैं. That's the Chula is making it now, and you can see a lot of people standing outside already. That's where he has got the equipment. दिखाता हूँ. Chule, hot chule here. Yeah. ठीक है, धन्यवाद. And he's got some nice lassi ready. And this is the place inside. It's a small place, just 6 tables, 24 people. Yes, so we're gonna start. How's it, Swami? Good? Enjoying it? That's good. There it goes. To top it up, we have some nice lassi. Kept ready. Thick and nice. Done with the lassi and amazing, I must say. Quite a food. We are taking a hop-on, hop-off bus from here. It starts at 10:30 and will take us to 4 different locations in the city. तो भाई साहब ये कहाँ जाते हैं जरा बताओगे आप?
दुर्गियाना टेम्पल, गोविंदगढ़ फोर्ट, बार हीरोमुरी म्यूजियम, साइकिल रेस्टोरेंट और attari-wagha बॉर्डर.
और कितने बजे वापस आता है?
7:30.
We'll be back here at 7:30 after visiting the attari-wagha border. Why I say attari-wagha? Attari is on the Indian side and Wagha is on the other side. So that's the ticket. And this is the route state. This is the Ambedkar Chowk, a few meters away from Rana Pratap Chowk. This is the Partition Museum. About less than 200 meters away from the Golden Temple complex. I don't see any inquiry counter or anything. This opens at 10, so we're going to give it a miss, as we would have to get into the bus at 10:30. It's about 10 minutes walk from here. So we'll give it a skip and maybe do it another time. A lot of rickshawalas have been taunting us since morning to join them or to go for a ride. In fact, when I told someone yesterday, go take rest, he said, अगर आराम करेंगे तो बच्चों का खाना पीना कैसा होगा? तो हमने सोचा चलो आज रिक्शा में जाते हैं. मेरा पावर बैंक होटल में छोड़ा था. So we're going to pick that up. Not of the best things to do, but since it's there, there's man. Baji, आपका नाम क्या है?
Baga.
Baga. Come to Amritsar if you don't have lassi and good lassi. The day is not complete. So our Bagaji told us that the best lassi is available at Giani Lassi. We're going there now. Giani Punjabi Lassi is supposed to be the best place. A lot of here. You want to pick it up? Let's check it out. Baji, 4 lassi parcel. Hi.
Hello.
We heard this is a good place for nice lassis. That's why I've come.
I've tried it earlier also.
Oh, you're okay. So you recommend it, right?
Yes.
You're from Bangalore.
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, you're from Delhi. Good. बाजी देखिए आपको कहाँ से लोग आए. Thank you. Thank you, Zaf. Giving you a slightly higher view from on top of the bus that we're taking. We hop on, hop off bus. Our first stop was the Durgiana Temple. The temple looks pretty similar to the Golden Temple. Pretty much the same as the Golden Temple, the sarovar around it, and then of course the lower part in silver and the top part in gold. And adjacent to this Durgiana Temple is the Bade Hanuman Mandir. This temple is believed to be over 700 years old. Visiting the fort of Gobindgarh, and you buy the tickets from here. We complete the security and walk through. With quite some walking to do. The weather has been good today, so it's pretty comfortable. And we're told there's an interesting show at the pavilion, apparently Bhangra and so on. So I'm going to enjoy that. That's a nice sentry, the gate, the Nalwa gate. There's some walking to do. Fortunately, there's no crowd, so enjoying it. And I'm sure there's something very interesting that we can wait to get to see. These guys are amazing. Given a chance, want to jump in and dance. And I'm sure a lot many sitting here will also want to do the same thing. There's our opportunity. We're hitting the floor. That was some great time on the Gobindgarh Fort, and now we hit the road and we are right now on the GT road and going past the Khalsa College, and this is the very road that will take us to the Attari border. I'm going to be doing a video on the beating the retreat ceremony at the Attari border, so don't forget to check that out a little later. Just past the Khalsa College, Guru Nanak Dev University and so on. Now we go straight. Mini India Gate. That's the Mini India Gate. So that's the Shyam Singh Ji Attari's statue, after whose name the famous border gate, the Attari Gate, is called. Or Heroes Museum. We're not going in there for paucity of time. War Memorial and tank there. This is the Grand Trunk Road, and the last town on this road in India is Attari. We're getting there. It's a nice walk up. Feels great. On the top deck of the double-decker road, hop on, hop off bus that we've been on since morning. Finish at the Attari border and now going back to Amritsar. All in all, a super day. Enjoyed every bit of it. Isn't it?
Had a great time. Good opportunity.
Good. Signing off. Bye bye.